Hello everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Jesse, welcome to Jesse's Tech. Today we'll be looking at installing OPNSense, which is basically a firewall and router sort of thing. Configure it as a router. But I'll be installing OPNSense on the IBM X3650 Model 1, which is the one in the middle. For my Model 4, I'm doing virtualization on it, so I've got like heaps of Windows and all that. And currently I'm using one of the VMs, you can see right there. I'm downloading the ISO file. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to burn it onto a CD, or DVD, sorry. So I've got a copy of it if I want to get it, if I want it again, if I upgrade or whatever, at least I've got a copy. I was just going to go for PFSense, but I might try OPNSense. So yeah, like originally I was a PFSense sort of person, like it was really easy to configure. So until I heard about OPNSense, I thought, why not give it a shot, give it a try and see how it goes. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so while that is downloading, currently the internet isn't going that well today because since it's a cloudy day and probably interference. So as you can probably see, I'm installing dummies back into the server because I really don't need 4 extra hard drives just for OPNSense server. So I've taken out the hard drives. So I'm going to be testing out OPNSense on the Model 1, and then later on I'll buy another IBM server, but it'll be a 1U server because I don't really need. Gee, that's a bit. Sure is going. Oh, there we go. Yep, it's a tight fit. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, I'm just going to be testing it out on the Model 1. It doesn't really mind me, losing data because there was literally nothing on the server. There we go, beautiful. Alright. So yeah, so while it downloads, that doesn't feel right. Yeah, that doesn't feel right. That isn't that way, does it? Sorry about this, guys. I don't want to force it in. Just doesn't want to. You don't want to go in and check. Eh? Yeah, I'll just leave it. I'll fix that later. Yeah, I'll fix that later. But anyway, yeah, so I've got 2 of these 73.4 gig hard drives. They're in RAID 1 or 0. Anyway, so it's the RAID. I'm sort of getting to know these RAIDs and like, but basically they're just 73 plus 73, so 2 drives equal to 1 big drive. So yeah, so as you can see the warning light's there and the warning light is here because if we go at the back, as you can see I've only got 1 power lead plugged in, and the Model 1 sort of uses, what's that noise? You can hear something with the, you can hear like a buzzing noise or whatever, something's like electric or something, I don't know, we'll check it out. Sorry about that. So basically, yeah, I've got 1 power supply in. The server's required 2, just in case if one fails, that one will kick in. But it's IBM. Like they never fail. So yeah, while that's getting all downloaded, just slowly just getting ready. I might get one of these, I might get a dual one out maybe. Nah, I'll just use the integrated one. As you can see right there. I'm gonna change it. This is Cat 5e. I'm gonna change it to Cat 6 or something. Or even Cat 6a or Cat 7, doesn't mind me. Currently I'm using Cat 7, but like, they're 10 gigabit, but even though this is a gigabit switch, so, and that's pretty, and this here, oh my god, My Republic, oh my god, it doesn't keep well with it. So what I was thinking of doing, just like, you know, making this as a firewall or something, and then later on, you know, I can make this into a router as well, and then use the, excuse the cocaine, and use this power Ethernet injector onto this Cisco. What is it? If we turn it around, 1142. So I've used this before, like put a bit of thinners on. Now it's starting to get a bit of wear on it. But I might. This has 5 gigahertz as well and 2.4. So, and it has, but it doesn't have AC. So I might upgrade the AeroNet to like an AC, so I can support, you know, my devices in the network. But yeah, this is a quick little update. Just you know, really experimenting with these IBMs, because like I've seen people use you know, Dell's, HP, you know, all those brands, but I've always loved IBM. Like IBM, been around for a long time, and they're really great servers. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on that bell icon down below. Really helps me out, guys. Next video, I've got something with this server in the next video. I might show you what's the go. There's a little problem with my server, but I'll explain that in the next video, and this is for the Model 4. So yes, stay tuned for that, stick around for that, stay tuned for that, because yeah, I'll need your help, guys. Anyways, talk to you guys soon. Cheers.